In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maintain stock in Microsoft Excel. We'll be creating a simple inventory worksheet that helps you track opening stock, stock received, stock issued, and the remaining balance for each item. This is a practical way to manage stock in Excel, especially if you want a clean and easy system that you can update anytime. To begin, open your Excel workbook. Once it's open, prepare your sample data in the worksheet. In this example, the data is arranged in cells A1 through E5. This gives you a basic table layout to work with, and it's important to make sure your columns are organized clearly before adding formulas. A typical setup would include fields for your item name and stock values, so Excel can calculate the remaining quantity correctly. Next, we'll calculate the closing stock. Click on cell E2. In that cell, type an equal sign, then enter B2, followed by a plus sign, then C2, and then a minus sign and D2. The full formula is B2 plus C2 minus D2. After typing it, press enter. This formula tells Excel to take the opening stock, add the stock received, and subtract the stock issued. The result is your remaining or closing stock. Once the formula is working in E2, select that cell again and copy the formula down to E5 by dragging the fill handle. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. As you drag it downward, Excel automatically applies the same formula pattern to the rows below. This allows you to calculate the remaining stock for each inventory item without retyping the formula every time. After that, you can view the result in your worksheet. You'll now see a complete stock summary for each row, showing the opening stock, stock received, stock issued, and the remaining stock. This makes it much easier to monitor inventory levels at a glance. You can also modify the inventory sheet to make it more useful for your needs. For example, you may want to add more inventory information by including extra columns such as item code, supplier, unit cost, reorder level, or location. These details can help you turn a simple stock sheet into a more complete inventory tracker. If you need to add more products, simply insert additional rows below your existing data and copy the closing stock formula into those new rows. And if your worksheet uses different columns for opening stock, stock received, or stock issued, just replace B2, C2, or D2 in the formula with the correct cell references, and that's it. You now have a simple way to maintain stock in Microsoft Excel.